Morning, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at our super lean tool chest. If anyone who's been here for a while remembers our old tool organization system, it was just a bunch of tools hanging sort of badly organized on hooks in the utility closet. So Eric bought us this, and we took a bunch of Kaizen foam and turned that craptacular tool closet into this. These are all replaceable blades, safety stuff, igniter for our propane, and then we've got our micro tools, our Allen wrenches, all of our Kaizen stuff, our labeler and Kaizen knives, Kaizen markers, and then we just keep our tape measures in here, all of our pliers and clamping tools, screwdrivers, assorted tools, our hammers. This is actually being used by Hib over there, who's putting together carts for the bathroom right now, and then our power tools. So we can easily tell when one of these tools is missing because everything's got its own cutout, its own space. And when that happens, we try to stop everything and find the tool. And this is all part of the lean idea that bringing the tools back shows respect. It shows respect for the tools, and it shows respect for your fellow employees, because everyone uses this stuff and we all need it, and there is no bigger waste of time than trying to track down a hammer, a screwdriver, whatever it is. So this eliminates all that, and this is kind of like the backbone of lean, just knowing where everything is, putting it back where it goes, and showing respect. So yeah, here it is, Lean Toolbox. Pretty awesome. And we've got our crescent socket kit on the back here. Eric found this big ass magnet at home, and we just took one of the conveyor belts and turned it into a strap, so this thing just comes easily out. And yeah, it's super convenient. Everything all in one place.